Oh, hi. Just catching up on a little light reading here. Welcome back once again to our Fireside Chats here at Jim Wernig Chevrolet. So far, we've covered a few different ways to help you save money as well as get you the best shopping experience at a dealership possible. We'd like to switch gears a little bit today and cover a few ways to save money in the service lane. Now, you can utilize mycertifiedservicerebates.com, MyGM Rewards, our dealership website, or our Facebook page to find coupons and specials. If you visit mycertifiedservicerebates.com, you'll be able to download a form or do an online submission of your RO and receipt. In doing so, you'll receive your rebate in the mail in the near future. Whether it's on oil changes, wiper blades, brakes, batteries, or filters, we're always trying to help you save a few dollars on repairs. Sometimes you can even stack the rebates to get the most savings possible. Did you know if you use your GM credit card to pay for your service work, you can normally double the amount of savings with those mail-in rebates? $10 becomes $20. $100 becomes $200. You can also earn 5% on your first $5,000 in purchases every year and 2% unlimited earnings after that. You can redeem those earnings to get additional money off your new vehicle purchase or receive statement credits in dealership purchases on certified service, parts, accessories, or GM extras. Make sure to go to buypowercard.com to learn more and apply for the card if you haven't already. If you've enrolled in GM Loyalty Rewards program, you can cash in the points on vouchers that can be redeemed for oil changes, parts, accessories, or you can even use your points on OnStar services or in-vehicle Wi-Fi. Your rewards points can help you save money and keep your vehicle in tip-top shape. If you do have to pay for your service or parts, you get 6 points for every dollar you spend, so you can save money on your next visit. Don't forget about our dealership website and Facebook page for any specials or monthly sales. If you haven't yet, make sure to like and follow our Facebook page so you don't miss a thing. If you'd like more information on MyGM Rewards, click here and watch our previous video on the topic. Until next time, it's really cold outside, so I think I'm going to go spend the next week in the Bahamas.
We hope that you're enjoying these videos as much as we are. If you are, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends. Is there a topic that you'd like to see us cover? Let us know in the comments down below. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you never miss an episode.